Have you ever wondered what powers the grandeur of a Rolls-Royce, one of the most prestigious brands in the world? Rolls-Royce, a name that resonates with luxury, opulence, and power, has been a front-runner in the automotive industry for over a century. This iconic brand has made its mark in the world of luxury cars by creating machines that are not just vehicles, but art pieces, masterpieces of engineering and design. The heart of these majestic machines, the engine, is a marvel in itself. It's not just about horsepower, but the seamless blend of power, precision, and performance. These engines are built with meticulous attention to detail and an obsession for perfection, propelling the Rolls-Royce to its revered status. They say the devil is in the details. Well, in this case, the power is in the precision. So, what goes into making these powerful engines? Let's delve into the fascinating process. The creation of a Rolls-Royce engine is not just manufacturing, it's an art, a testament to human ingenuity and precision engineering. Our journey begins in the design phase. Here, brilliant minds come together, pooling centuries of collective experience to conceptualize an engine that's not just powerful, but also reliable and efficient. They use advanced computational methods to simulate the engine's performance under a variety of conditions. Every detail, every fraction of a millimeter, is accounted for. Once the design is perfected, it's time to select the materials. Rolls-Royce is uncompromising when it comes to quality. Only the best will do. High-grade aluminium, titanium, and nickel-based superalloys are chosen for their strength, durability, and resistance to heat. Now, the actual crafting of the engine parts begins. It's a process that combines cutting-edge technology with traditional craftsmanship. Precision machines cut and shape the metals, creating components with tolerances finer than a human hair. But it's not all machines. Skilled artisans hand-polish the parts, ensuring a flawless finish. Then comes the assembly. Each engine is put together by a dedicated team of specialists. They meticulously connect every part, every wire, every screw. It's a process that can take several weeks, but perfection cannot be rushed. Finally, the completed engine undergoes rigorous testing procedures. It's pushed to its limits in simulated extreme weather and driving conditions. It's also subjected to vibration and noise tests. Only when it passes all these tests with flying colors is it deemed worthy of being called a Rolls-Royce engine. But the journey doesn't end there. Even after the engine is installed in a vehicle, it continues to be monitored and fine-tuned to ensure optimal performance. It's a never-ending commitment to excellence, to delivering an engine that doesn't just meet, but exceeds expectations. Each engine thus becomes a masterpiece, a testament to the Rolls-Royce commitment to perfection. But what makes these engines so special? Why does a Rolls-Royce engine stand out? The answer lies in the details. Each Rolls-Royce engine is meticulously crafted, embodying a blend of power, efficiency, and reliability that's unmatched in the automotive world. Now let's talk power. Rolls-Royce engines are known for their impressive horsepower, delivering a surge of acceleration that is both smooth and responsive. This power is harnessed carefully, ensuring a ride that is as exhilarating as it is refined. Next up, efficiency. These engines are designed for optimal fuel performance, meaning they use less fuel while still delivering that signature Rolls-Royce power. This efficiency is a testament to Rolls-Royce's commitment to engineering excellence and environmental responsibility. Lastly, reliability. Rolls-Royce engines are built to last. They are designed to withstand the most challenging driving conditions while maintaining their performance. This reliability is why Rolls-Royce cars are not just luxury vehicles, but also investments that stand the test of time. But it's more than just these features. It's about the seamless integration of these elements that translates into the smooth and luxurious ride that Rolls-Royce cars are known for. It's about the way the engine purrs at idle and roars to life with a gentle push of the accelerator. These features don't just make an engine, they create the soul of a Rolls-Royce. So, we've taken a journey into the heart of a Rolls-Royce, its engine. We've seen the intricate process of its creation, a testament to the skill and precision of its makers. We've explored the power and sophistication of its features, from its unmatched horsepower to its whisper-quiet operation. Next time you see a Rolls-Royce glide by, remember it's not just a car, it's a marvel of engineering, powered by an engine that's a masterpiece in itself.